So my father is an architect and recently he has been working on remodeling an old house dating back to the early 1960s. Of course it had a ton of old lighting equipment, including this really old F2012 preheat lamp, full of filth and layer upon layer of acrylic paint. So I thought it would be an awesome DIY project for me and I took it home. First, as all the filth was making the lamp really sticky to the touch, I decided to wash it down with some good detergent. As I was planning on changing the whole ballast inside, I didn't really care on the wiring getting wet. Afterwards, I began disassembling the whole fixture. Lamp ballast was manufactured by Electromagnetic Products, a small Mexican ballast manufacturer that placed funny-looking specification numbers on their ballasts. Also, the leading base has a starter socket, which is always nice. Continuing with the disassembly process, I took apart the starter, ballast and bases, which proved extremely challenging as the old paint turned old screws into a rock, but after a series of failed attempts, I was able to remove everything from the fixture. This is the old starter, made by Sylvania. It was really burned out, producing really slow starts. Now, the person who painted that old house didn't care at all for the lamp, and both bases were completely covered in paint, so I had to carve in with some brushes and a really strong detergent to get it off. Next, I started the most difficult and tedious job in the restoration of this old lamp, removing years of filth and paint from the fixture. First, I tried to sand it down with some sandpaper and water, but it didn't work well, so I changed to a polish machine, but it also didn't work. I tried to scrape it off, and while at it, I remember I had lying around some paint removing blend, which helped me break down all the excess paint and scrap it all away. This turned to be the best method, so I carry on with the new painting job. For this I used spray paint. I know metal lamps like these ones are baked to solidify paint, but this was the only method I could use in the workshop. So I started applying various coats of primer, followed by the trusty old white paint. After letting the paint dry, I polished it up using some sandpaper, and after cleaning it up, I began the most fun part of the repair: rewire everything. I replaced the old ballast with a new one made by Sola ISB, which is also a trusty Mexican brand. Moving on, it was time to mount the old but trustworthy old bases, screw them in place, and rewire everything using some brand new wires. For the time being, I am using an extension cord with a switch to turn it on, but I plan on perhaps mounting it to the wall later. Closing up the fixture proved difficult as the metal had deformed with all the sanding I did to it. I grabbed some F2012 tubes made by Philips in the late 90s and put one in place. Finally, turning on the switch, nothing happened. Well, turns out the old bases weren't that reliable anymore, so I had to jiggle the tube around to make electrical contact. But after that, it now works. So let's now go and see the lamp turning on and off with a new starter and enjoy the preheat show.